Ever thought of backpacking as therapy? Imagine the serenity of the woods, the whispering of the wind, the rustling leaves underfoot. A blissful escape from the hustle and bustle, where the only crowd you'll encounter is the parade of wildlife. Squirrels chattering, deer grazing, birds serenading, a symphony of nature's best. Each step forward, a stride towards inner peace. Backpacking isn't just an adventure, it's a journey into the heart of tranquility. And the fun part? You never know who you might meet along the way. Maybe a family of raccoons or a curious fox. Each encounter, a playful reminder that we're all part of this grand tapestry of life. So pack that bag, lace up those boots, and give yourself the gift of backpacker therapy. Remember, the best therapist has fur and 4 legs.